Is it recording? Okay. Hi, my name is Rhossa Umutoniwase.
And my name is Hien. Our project is titled on segments of the Staphylococcus Epidermidis Biofilm Inhibition using the essential oil. This is a part of the UGRP funded faculty-led grant. We are working with Dr. Cissell in the chemistry department.
Staphylococcus epidermidis is a bacterium that harmlessly colonizes the skin. However, for immunocompromised individuals, it can be problematic since it forms biofilms on transplant devices, causing infections. This research will explore essential oils as a possible biofilm growth inhibitor since they have shown an antibacterial behavior in our prior researches. In this research, we are testing lemongrass, clove bud, and cinnamon leaf essential oils.
We culture and grew the bacteria in a cryptic soil broth with an optical density nearly 0.5 at 600 nanometer to test the biofilm growth. The bacteria was then loaded onto the polystyrene plasma treated hydrophilic well plate. To assess the biofilm formation, we remove the planktonic bacteria and wash with PPS buffer. Then we stand the well with the crystal violet, wash with the deionized water, and read the absorbent on the microplate reader. These methods are summarized in Figure 1. The increased biofilm formation would lead to the greater absorbent in the well. After that, we tested the biofilm growth with the 24 versus 48 well plate. And we vary the biofilm growth times and tested the varying dilutions of the lemongrass to see if the biofilm growth was inhibited.
Additionally, while testing for the incubation time, we found a significant difference in absorbance for 30 minutes to 1 hour of incubation with a 95% confidence level. However, we did not see a significant difference between 1 to 2 hours. We also tested lemongrass in its ability to inhibit biofilm formation. However, results did not show a decrease in biofilm formation, which may be due to a solubility issue. In the future, we will explore ways to increase the solubility of lemongrass oil in the bacteria broth mixture, and we also test the clove bud, cinnamon leaf oil for the inhibition of biofilm formation.